in machine learning is that a lot of people are getting kind of afraid that we have these really intelligent robotics because we have all these media articles that are warning us about Terminator scenarios. But if you look at the reality of what intelligent robotics can actually do today, it's actually surprisingly disappointing.
So our issues today are quite simply privacy, security, certainly intellectual property rights, but more importantly, diversity, inclusion, harassment, cyberbullying, and we have to make sure that we're not contributing to that.